welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing really well, and hello and welcome September. And as it's a new month, I'm sure you all know what that means. Today I am going to be doing another unboxing video, and today I am going to be taking a look at what is inside of the September edition of the Look Fantastic beauty box. Now this is a very special edition because September is Look Fantastic's birthday and they are celebrating it with a special edition of their beauty box. So it's very blingy and it says birthday box on it this month, and inside is a host of goodies that are themed around kind of birthdays, and this box has a total value of over £77, which is really good value. Before I get any further into this video, I also have another exciting announcement that Look Fantastic have come out with. It's also the month where the advent calendar goes on pre-sale, which is really exciting. If you would like to receive £15 off the advent calendar, you can do so by entering the code ADVENTNEWSUBS at checkout when you subscribe for either 3, 6 or 12 months, and you get £15 off the advent calendar. So that will take it down from £85 if you are a non-subscriber to £70 if you are a subscriber, and it always has a really high value for money anyway. And this year the total value is £475, and in effect you'd only be paying £70 for it, so it is a really good savings. I will leave links and information down below in the description box if you are interested in getting this advent calendar. Also, if you are new to this channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily, and do be sure to hit that subscribe button, and do be sure to hit that notification bell down below to receive updates when I post new videos, because there's going to be a lot more unboxing videos, and I'm also going to be doing more videos on other topics that I usually would do, such as disability awareness and disability positivity. So do be sure to subscribe for all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's unbox this and see what we have inside. Now, of course, in last month's box you would have seen that I unboxed two boxes because they had two different variants. They had variant 1 and variant 2, which basically meant that there were different products that you got inside of each, and you could have ended up with either one or the other. This month they haven't done that, but there are two products in this box that you could get either or of. Inside the lid we have a motivational quote as always, and it says, "Don't just count the years, make the years count." Very true. And then we also have a little booklet with some information on the box, such as the products you get inside, and then we get to the good stuff. First up, we have something from Illamasqua, and we have one of their mini highlighters. This is the Beyond Powder highlighter in the shade OMG, which I have never actually tried before, so I'm quite intrigued to see what this looks like. So this is the highlighter. It's like a light gold shade, and it looks really pretty. Let me just swatch this to see what it looks like. Ooh, that is nice. That is a really pretty shade. I don't know if you can see that very well, but this is a really pretty kind of soft gold colour. It's got a really nice luminescence to it, and I'm really excited to try this. So that is the first thing you get in this box, but this is one of the products that has a variation to it. So you could either end up with this highlighter in your box, or you could also end up with a mini of the Mary Lou Luminizer by The Balm. Now that is a really beautiful highlighter. I actually already own that, and it's honestly such a stunning highlighter. I've actually got it on today. I'm actually really happy to have this because I haven't tried this before, so it's nice to have something new that I haven't tried. Next up we have something from the brand Diego Della Palma, and this is a lip liner in the shade Antique Pink. This sounds like it's going to be right up my street. Ooh, that is really nice. That is a lovely pink. So this is the swatch, as you can see, and this is definitely more of a mauvey toned kind of vintage pink. It's definitely the sort of pink that I would personally wear. So this is definitely up my alley, and I will wear this and get a lot of use out of this. So I'm very happy about this because this is a really nice pink, and also this shade of pink is really nice for the autumn time as well, so I'm also very happy about that. And it doesn't seem to smudge that much, like it's not really transferred at all, so I'm really excited to try that. Next up we have a brush, and this is from a brand called Luxy Beauty, which I've never tried before, and this is their 209 large shader brush. This is what the brush looks like. It has a round domed top to it, really soft to the touch, and this feels like it's going to be really good to apply and blend eyeshadows to the crease with. So I'm really excited to try this because I do love getting new makeup brushes. Okay, so let's see what it says on the website about this brush.
Large shader brush can be used with any cream, powder or liquid eyeshadow to apply an even wash of colour over the eyelid. For a bolder look, wet this brush with your powder eyeshadows. I love the way it says eyeshadows, it's so funny. I imagine this is going to be a really good brush to apply colours to the crease, and also it's very pretty. It has this lovely pink and rose gold finishing to it, and it looks very pleasing. So another really good product. Very impressed. Next up we have something from Brushworks, and it is a jade roller. Now I actually have one of these already, not from this brand but from a similar brand, and I absolutely love them. So this is what it looks like, and this is basically a face roller. It has two sides. It has this larger side and it has this smaller side, which is better for underneath the eyes and those more harder to reach areas. So this is a skincare facial tool. Now you can use this for a variety of things. It can be used as a massage tool. You can use it to roll on your skin when you are experiencing redness or puffiness or irritation. You can use it in combination with your skincare products like your moisturizers, your serums or your facial oils, or even your eye creams as well. And it's just really nice. It's just very therapeutic to just roll it over your face. It's really cooling. It's perfect if you've got any redness or irritation. It really takes down any puffiness. I've already got one of these myself, so I probably will give this to my mum because she hasn't got one of these. That is really nice to have this in this month's box, and definitely I think will be nice for people who haven't used one of these before. Next we have something from Espa, and this is their pink hair and scalp mud, which sounds very intriguing. Now this is the other product that has two variants, so you could either have this product in your box or you could have the micellar cleanser in your box, so you could have either of those two. I have never tried this before, but it sounds really interesting. I'm going to use my app to read out the information on now.
An intensive mineral-rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave hair soft and smooth, and the scalp nourished. Vitamin C rich, watercress and red. Clay soothe and nourish the scalp, while apricot kernel oil conditions to help promote stronger, healthy-looking, manageable hair. Suitable for all hair types, especially dry or weak hair. Best results L massage into scalp and through damp hair too. Leave for 20 minutes or overnight if preferred and rinse.
So that sounds really promising. It's got some nice ingredients in there, and by the sound of it, it's going to be really good to just deep condition the hair. It has a nice scent to it. It's got a slight fruity kind of zesty smell to it. Oh, I like the smell of that. That smells really nice. That's one thing I have to say about hair care products. Even if they say they've got all these lovely ingredients in there, if the smell isn't that good, then I won't want to use it, because obviously it's going in your hair and you can smell it afterwards. But that smells very nice. It's quite a light smell, but it's got that nice kind of citrusy scent to it. So I am very excited to try this. The final product we have in this box is from Elemis, and it's their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And again, I'm going to use the help of my trusty app to read out the information on the bottle.
Elemis Pro Collagen Cream. Anti-wrinkle day cream. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles, improves skin firmness and hydration.
So let me give this a little try on the back of my hand just to see how it feels. It's got a thick texture to it. It is quite rich and thick, but I think that's nice if you want something that's going to absorb a little bit more slowly, and it's going to still leave that little bit of residue on the skin. So this would be particularly good for someone, I would say, who's got more drier skin, just judging by the feel of it, because it's a bit more thicker. So that is everything you get from the Look Fantastic September box. I would definitely say that this has to be my favourite box out of all of the ones that I have reviewed so far. There are some really nice products in there. There's a very good mix this month. You've got some skincare, you've got some makeup, and you've also got some actual tools as well. If you are interested in this box and you are interested in getting this box, then definitely consider doing it now, because as well as subscribing to this service, you would also get money off the advent calendars. Are you going to be getting the calendar this year? Are you excited for it? I know I am. I am so excited to see what's in it. And let me know how your month is going. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!